Hello gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to work on our neck and our nasolabial fold. Guys, I really hope you enjoy the video and also pick up a few of my videos to work on your face daily for the best result. Without further ado, let's get started. First exercise, we are going to roll our tongue in our mouth. Like you roll for 10 around like this and then 10 backward. I will show you. Just like this. Let's start from this side and just one time. And relax. Do you feel the warmth? I do feel it around my cheek and also my mouth. Let's do the second time. We do second time. Start from this side. Oh my god, I just feel it so tense, tap. Let's do the third one. This time we are going to do 3 times. This is gonna be tough. Stay with me. We start from this side. Oh my god, if you feel nothing, it's gonna be something wrong with you. God, I feel so warm and oh my god, 10, 10, 10. Relax, relax, relax. We are going to do neck stretch. You have to sit straight, relax your shoulder, and you turn on the side like this and look up, and then you pull your tongue out like this. And we stay for 10 seconds, okay? Relax your shoulder, stay straight, relax your forehead also, and then put your hand on your shoulder and turn to the side. Look up 45 degrees and then stick your tongue out and stay for 10 seconds. And relax, turn to the center and then turn to other side. Look up a little bit and then pull your tongue out and stay for 10 seconds. And turn to the center. Relax. Do you feel the stretch on your neck and also your jawline? If you do, that is great. You do the right things. Now, let's start again. Sit straight. Put your hand on your shoulder and turn to the right. Look up 45 degrees. Stick your tongue out and stay for 10 seconds. And relax. Turn to the center and turn to the other side. Look up 45 degrees, relax your shoulder, relax your forehead. Stick your tongue out and stay for 10 seconds. And relax, turn to the center, tap a little bit. Oh my god. Let's do the last one. Sit straight, relax your forehead, relax your shoulder, put your hand on your shoulder, turn to the left, look up 45 degrees, stick your tongue out and stay for 10 seconds. And relax, turn to the center, turn to other side. Look up 45 degrees, stick your tongue out, relax your forehead, and stay for 10 seconds. and then to the center. Tap a little bit, tap a little bit. Oh, good. We are going to massage our jawline. You use your knuckle and you push them here on your muscle, your jaw muscle, and you push them up and down like this. You will feel the rock here. It's okay. Okay, keep massaging. Oh, I feel the tension here. If it's painful, it's okay, but if it is too much, just lighter your pressure. Don't push too hard. And let's do other side. Knuckle. Press them up and down. I feel the rock on my jawline. Keep doing it. It's a little bit painful, but it's okay. I love it. I love it. Ooh, tap, 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 tap a little bit. Let's do the second time. This time it should be released a little bit. If it is not released yet, it's okay. Just keep doing it. Push them up and down, up and down. Oh, I feel the tension. And down, like this. And relax. Let's do other side. Okay. Push them a little bit like this. Sorry, I look at the mirror. Sometimes I look at the side. It's because my mirror is on the side. I want to see if I do the right posture to show you. And relax. That's pretty good. Now we are going to massage our ears, just like this, and massage like this. Okay, the whole ears. Just keep massaging. It feels so good. Massage. I love ear massage. And relax. Let's do another one, ear massage. It will turn red, but it's okay. Keep massaging your ear. There's a lot of acupuncture point on the ears. When you massage the ear, it's just like you massage the whole body. And keep doing it inside and outside, also behind the ear also. All right, and relax. Thank you everyone for joining me today. I know you love the video. Please give the thumbs up, comment and share with your friends, family and everyone. If you are new here, please subscribe and click on the bell icon for the next video. I see you soon. Bye.